Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video if you are new, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back. And so as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be trying a deep conditioner. Every once in a while I try to get a new deep conditioner and test it out right here on camera so you can see if it's good, if it's worth it, or if it's not. I have been seeing this product floating around and I keep hearing people say it's so affordable, so cheap, it's really good. And I've heard this from a few curly hair people, so I was like, let me see. So it is the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treatment 1 Minute Hair Mask. I chose to get the coconut the coconut, I guess, coconut version. I don't know what you call it, but they have a bunch of different versions. I'll put them right here so you guys can see. So you can choose whichever one you feel like will work best for your hair personally. I know there's a lot of coconut oil haters out there, but coconut works wonders for my hair still. After this, I would probably choose the avocado one, but this one is the nourishing treatment and the avocado one is a smoothening treatment. So I thought I would go with this one first. So as you can see, it's like really tiny, and you can buy this on Amazon for about $3-ish, depending where you live. And you can also buy it in store, but my local drugstore decided to be scammers and they were selling this for like $7, $8, something like that. Not happening. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed and conditioned and I have it under this towel. I'm just gonna go re-wet it and then apply this with you guys together, detangle it, see how it detangles, leave it for supposedly 1 minute. I'm gonna leave it for 5 because they don't know the severity of my dryness. I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes, even though it says you can do it in 1 minute. And then we'll see how it turns out. We'll see how my curls look. Let's see what it looks like right now. Oh, what's going on? Okay. My hair is dripping wet. I'm going to just start scooping this in. It's a really small container, so honestly, if you have a lot of hair, you might go through this very fast. So, okay. Taking a lot, and I'm really just spreading it everywhere. Okay, first impressions, it feels nice, it's thick, but it's not, I'm not shocked at how it feels right now. It just feels like a really good hair cream. And my hair actually feels nice and heavy, like it's thick, so it's nice. I like that. I like thick conditioners. Yeah, my hair feels very moisturized. I would love this if this was like a hair cream. Like, I would love to leave this in. Okay, so I'm actually gonna detangle before I let it sit just to see how this works. The slip isn't too much. I feel like it's like really going into my hair, but it's not giving it a slippery feeling, which is good and bad. I mean, there's no silicones in here, so I'm not surprised. As you can see, it's not too bad. Back here, like, look at this. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna put this on it and let it sit for about 5 minutes and come back and see how it's looking. Alright, so it has been a little more than 5 minutes and my hair is getting hot under here. I'm just gonna take this off. Ooh, okay. You know what? Now that it's set, it's really, really nice because the heat that accumulated under that cap really helped. Do you guys see this though? Like how much it shrunk, which is good. When my hair is moisturized, it is not very frizzy, and you guys can see like there's no like extra halo of frizz. So that's how you know that it's actually moisturized, and when you pull it back and it's smooth like this, that's how you know it's moisturized. It's easier to work with. Wow. Very impressive, very impressive. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this out and I'll be right back and we can talk about the final few details if I think it's worth buying or not. Okay, so now that it's washed out, my hair honestly feels soft. It's back to normal, I would say. This conditioner, I will compare it to like, no. I was gonna compare it to the Aussie Mega Moist line, but I would honestly say that the Aussie Mega Moist, wow, I can't talk. The Aussie Mega Moist line is a bit better than this. Maybe I need to try the different kinds of this deep conditioner or this hair treatment, but I feel like it was okay. Like, my hair feels soft. The only thing I will say is that it's affordable and it got the job done. I won't say that this is better necessarily than my Shea Moisture Treatment Mask, but it does compare to like a conditioner. Do you know what I mean? This compares to a regular conditioner, a regular good conditioner, but I wouldn't say that this is like high-end bargain level. Like this is not bargaining with like high-end products. This is just regular drugstore deep conditioner. And my hair, like I said, my hair's soft, it's frizz free. You guys can see there's no frizz, so it really did moisturize it from like the inside out. But that's about it. I feel like I would definitely use this weekly because it's so affordable. When you don't want to use like your expensive products, you can use this instead and your hair will still get the care that it needs. So if you're looking for something that's affordable and cheap to use but still gets the job done, this is definitely something I would recommend. For something that you can get at the drugstore and something you can get on Amazon and something you can get like whenever you need to have like a quick fix hair treatment, and you can choose different kinds, this is a really good choice. So I'm happy with it. I'm definitely gonna keep it. This is good. This is actually not even specifically for curly hair or natural hair, but it does a good job. So if you're looking for a cheap alternative that is vegan, affordable, and just simple and has different variety that you can switch up every now and then so you don't have a huge commitment on your hands, out of 10 I would give this a 7. I would give it a 7. If you're wondering about these little Garnier masks like I was, now you know. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10, I would say, for our hair type. I look crazy. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you thumbs up this video. It helps a lot. And turn on the little notification thing so you don't miss any videos. And again, the subscribe button is free. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.